All right, so it's, what time is it, Rich, right now? 5 a.m. here at the MGM Grand. 5:42, we're gonna be heading over to 24 Hour Fitness to do a little workout in the morning. I'm gonna get some coffee first before we work out. All right, I just had an awesome workout over here at the 24 Hour Fitness in Henderson. You can see it's behind me. Did a little chest today, so with Richard. So it was nice working out at this gym here. It's always good to work out at different gyms, especially here in Las Vegas or Henderson, and work out with your brother as well. All right, so now we're heading back over to the MGM Grand.
Yeah, just park the car and he's having pick
We'll park the car and then hope my friend will be able to pick me up so we can have some breakfast.
Yeah, that'll be just be.
So this is a really nice hotel. We're checking out. It's a little messy, but it does actually have a air purifier, which makes the room look nice. Brother's big ass suitcase right here, luggage. I'll walk outside the door here. He's already cleaning up here. Everyone is checking out. It's time to get on the road again.
Yeah, they took someone else's drink. Oh my God.